Now, what truck do emergency crews trust when every second counts? The answer is no other than the Scania CrewCab, built for those who run towards danger, not away from it. This isn't just any truck, it's a mobile command center, a rolling fortress, and a lifeline for teams working in the harshest conditions. Whether it's firefighters racing to a blaze, rescue teams responding to a crisis, or construction crews tackling high-risk projects, the CrewCab delivers every single time. With top-tier safety features, unmatched durability, and a cabin designed for all-day comfort, it keeps crews focused on the mission, not the ride. From reinforced structures to advanced driver assist systems, every detail is built for reliability in extreme situations. When failure isn't an option, professionals choose Scania. The CrewCab isn't just made for the job, it's made for the people who do it. Ready to see what makes it the best? Let's break it down. But before we go any further, kindly like this video and click the subscribe button for more interesting trucking videos. To start with, Scania isn't just another truck brand. It's a symbol of reliability, innovation, and endurance. Since its founding in 1891, the Swedish manufacturer has consistently pushed the boundaries of what trucks can achieve. From long-haul transport to heavy-duty off-road applications, Scania vehicles are renowned for their longevity, fuel efficiency, and performance in the toughest conditions. Whether navigating icy highways, construction sites, or urban centers, Scania trucks deliver unmatched durability and advanced engineering. And beyond commercial transport, Scania has played a crucial role in specialized industries, particularly emergency services. Fire departments, rescue teams, and utility crews rely on vehicles that can withstand intense conditions and demanding missions. Recognizing this need, Scania introduced the CrewCab in 2004, a purpose-built solution offering enhanced ergonomics, spacious interiors, and configurations tailored and engineered to first responders and industrial crews. Over the years, the CrewCab has undergone continuous innovations, integrating advanced technology, reinforced chassis designs, and more powerful fuel-efficient engines. These upgrades ensure that emergency crews and industrial teams can operate effectively in a wide range of environments. With its versatility and adaptability, the CrewCab has become a go-to solution for specialized transport needs. With every iteration, Scania refines its engineering to meet modern demands. The latest generation, introduced in 2017, brought improvements to fuel efficiency, driver comfort, and overall usability. The result is a truck that offers reliability, efficiency, and practicality for high-pressure operations. Whether responding to a fire, executing a rescue mission, or supporting heavy-duty operations, the CrewCab is built to handle demanding tasks. Scania's dedication to continuous improvement ensures that this lineup remains a trusted choice for professionals who require both functionality and performance. Now, Scania offers multiple CrewCab models, each designed for different applications. The P-Series CrewCab is the perfect choice for urban environments and emergency services. With its balanced design, this model offers a spacious yet compact cabin that can accommodate up to 8 passengers while remaining easy to maneuver through tight city streets. It's a practical option for firefighting teams, municipal services, and rapid response operations that require speed and efficiency. For teams that need more power and space, the G-Series CrewCab is the ideal middle ground solution. It's designed for heavy-duty operations where both strength and flexibility are essential. Popular among rescue teams and industrial operators, the G-Series provides extra cargo capacity while maintaining a comfortable cabin layout for crew members. At the top of the range, the R-Series CrewCab is the ultimate solution for high-performance applications. Engineered for specialized transport and emergency response teams, this model delivers maximum power, comfort, and technology. With high-torque engines and premium cabin features, the R-Series is designed for professionals who require top-tier capabilities. Scania understands that emergency responders and industrial crews need vehicles that support their demanding tasks. That's why the CrewCab is designed with functionality in mind, offering ergonomic seating and spacious interiors and practical storage solutions. The easy-access doors and well-thought-out layouts ensure that teams can enter and exit quickly while having everything they need within reach. The CrewCab comes in 2 length options: the standard CrewCab at 3,040mm and the extended version at 3,320mm. Now, this flexibility allows operators to choose a configuration that best suits their operational requirements while ensuring ample space for crew members and equipment. Today, the Scania CrewCab stands as a leader in its class. setting new standards in durability, efficiency, and adaptability. With a commitment to innovation and excellence, Scania continues to refine this lineup to meet the ever-evolving needs of professionals worldwide. Whether in emergency response, heavy industry, or specialized transport, the CrewCab is built to deliver, no matter the challenge. Now, stepping inside the Scania CrewCab, it's clear that every detail is designed with the crew in mind. This isn't just a truck, it's a mobile workspace, where comfort, efficiency, and practicality come together. Whether responding to emergencies or tackling tough job sites, the CrewCab ensures every occupant has the space and support needed for peak performance. With configurations accommodating up to 8 crew members, the cabin balances spaciousness with efficiency. Whether a firefighter suiting up en route or construction crew heading to a remote site, there's ample room to move and operate. Every seat is crafted for long-term support, featuring ergonomic lumbar support to prevent back strain, secure and easy access seat belts for safety on the move, and noise-dampening materials to create a quieter environment for better focus and communication. The driver's seat is the nerve center of the CrewCab, offering a well-thought-out control layout for ease of use and minimal distraction. The digital instrument cluster provides real-time diagnostics, allowing for proactive maintenance and monitoring. One-touch control panels simplify the management of lighting, sirens, and auxiliary systems, ensuring that every command is executed efficiently. Adjustable steering and seating allows for a customized driving experience, reducing fatigue and enhancing comfort over long shifts. In high-pressure situations, quick access to essential tools can make all the difference. The CrewCab's intelligent storage solutions make sure that everything is within reach when it matters most. Overhead compartments provide space for lightweight items and personal belongings, while underseat storage keeps critical equipment readily accessible. Side panel compartments are strategically placed for emergency tools, allowing for rapid deployment when time is of the essence. Designed for those who rely on efficiency and dependability, the Scania CrewCab transforms every journey into a seamless, well-equipped experience, keeping the crew ready for whatever challenges lie ahead. In high-risk professions, safety is very important. The Scania CrewCab is engineered to endure extreme conditions while making sure the utmost protection for its occupants. Every aspect of its design focuses on maintaining control, preventing accidents, and minimizing risks in demanding environments. To enhance stability and braking performance, the CrewCab incorporates advanced technologies that proactively prevent dangerous situations. Electronic stability control actively mitigates rollover risks by adjusting braking and engine power, ensuring stability even during sudden maneuvers. Automatic emergency braking detects potential collisions and reacts faster than a human, instantly applying the brakes in a sudden stop scenario to reduce impact severity. Adaptive cruise control intelligently adjusts speed to maintain safe following distances, reducing driver fatigue and promoting a smoother, safer driving experience in unpredictable traffic conditions. Now, beyond electronic safety features, the CrewCab's reinforced structure offers exceptional crash performance. Constructed from high-strength steel, it's designed to disperse impact forces effectively, significantly reducing the risk of injury in the event of a collision. The cab's engineering also minimizes the chance of smaller vehicles sliding under the truck, which is actually a very important measure that meets and surpasses Sweden's rigorous crash test standards. With a strong focus on structural integrity, Scania ensures that every journey is as secure as possible. Now, for applications requiring additional safety measures, such as firefighting, the CrewCab can be equipped with an integrated fire suppression system, and this system automatically detects and extinguishes engine fires before they spread, minimizing damage and protecting both the vehicle and its occupants. By containing the fires before they escalate, this feature enhances crew safety in high-risk operational environments. Now, recognizing the dangers of rollovers, Scania has introduced rollover current side airbags in its latest generation of cabs, including the CrewCab. Integrated into the ceiling, these airbags deploy instantly in the event of a rollover, shielding occupants from serious injury or fatality. Now, this feature, which is available across Scania's LPGRS and CrewCabin models, is a testament to the company's commitment to proactive safety innovation, addressing one of the most severe accident scenarios in trucking. For improved visibility in urban environments, the Scania City Safe window is a game-changing addition. Positioned low on the passenger door, it significantly enhances the driver's ability to spot pedestrians and cyclists who might otherwise be hidden in blind spots. In busy city streets where large trucks must navigate tight spaces alongside vulnerable road users, this simple yet highly effective feature greatly reduces the risks of accidents. Scania's dedication to safety has not gone unnoticed. The company's G-Series cab has earned a 4-star rating from Euro NCAP, along with the prestigious City Safe Award for its outstanding driver visibility. The R-Series cab also received a 3-star rating, further reinforcing Scania's efforts to exceed standard safety regulations and deliver industry-leading protection for drivers and crew members alike. By integrating cutting-edge technology, reinforced construction, and intelligent design, the Scania CrewCab ensures that safety remains the highest priority. Whether navigating highways, responding to emergencies, or maneuvering through city traffic, it provides the ultimate level of protection, allowing professionals to focus on the task at hand with complete confidence. Now, a formidable truck needs a powerhouse engine, and Scania delivers with a lineup built to handle diverse operational needs. Whether you're navigating city streets, handling heavy-duty transport, or venturing off-road, there's a CrewCab engine designed to get the job done. Scania CrewCabs come with multiple diesel engine choices, each optimized for different levels of demand. The 7-liter engine, producing between 220 and 280 horsepower with torque ranging from 1000 to 1200 Nm, is the lightest in Scania's lineup, weighing about 360 kilograms less than the 9-liter, which is ideal for light-duty applications like urban fire services and rescue operations. Its compact design allows for a lower engine hump in L-cab configurations, improving road visibility for crew members. Now, this 6-cylinder engine features a Bosch injection system, a fixed geometry turbo, and Scania's SCR system. It also runs on HVO fuel without any modifications, and its exhaust brake is rated at 127 kilowatts at 2500 RPMs. Now, for medium-duty applications up to 40 tons, including regional transport and fire rescue services, the 9-liter engine offers between 280 and 360 horsepower, with a torque of 1400 to 1700 Nm. Now, this well-balanced 5-cylinder engine features Scania's XPI injection system, unit injectors, and a fixed geometry turbocharger. Now, gas-powered versions rated at 280 and 340 horsepower use EGR technologies for emissions control, and the exhaust brake power stands at 183 kilowatts at 2400 RPMs. But when maximum power is required, the Super 13-liter engine steps up, offering between 420 and 560 horsepower and torque ranging from 2300 to 2800 Nm, delivering groundbreaking fuel savings of 8%. Now, this next-generation engine is engineered for extreme duty applications, providing superior performance, durability, and efficiency, while being built to handle the toughest conditions without compromising on sustainability. Also, Scania is committed to reducing emissions without sacrificing performance. Every diesel engine in the CrewCab range is fully compatible with up to 100% hydro-treated vegetable oil, providing a cleaner energy alternative without requiring modifications. With an industry-leading brake thermal efficiency, the Super 13 engine sets the benchmark for powertrain fuel savings, cutting fuel consumption by 8%. And additionally, the Scania Pro Driver System, a smart digital coaching tool, helps drivers adopt fuel-efficient habits, potentially reducing fuel consumption by up to 5%. Now, as a part of its sustainability drive, Scania is also rolling out a battery electric vehicle, or BEV, CrewCab. Now, this all-electric variant is a bold step towards carbon-neutral transportation, and it also maintains Scania's reputation for power and reliability while offering a zero-emission solution. Australia is set to be one of the first markets to receive the BEV CrewCab, with deliveries expected soon after production ramps up. Now, tough jobs demand a truck that can handle serious weight and rough terrains, and Scania ensures that the CrewCab is engineered to perform in the harshest conditions. Designed for extreme environments, all-wheel drive provides superior traction on rugged terrain, making these trucks perfect for rescue operations or off-road fire services and heavy industrial applications. Their heavy-duty suspension is built to absorb shock and vibrations, ensuring a smoother ride even on the roughest roads. All the while, its hydraulic power steering enhances maneuverability, making tight space navigation easier and more precise. Now, wherever the job takes you, Scania's CrewCab is ready, built with power, efficiency, and sustainability in mind. This truck is designed for professionals who demand the best. Meanwhile, the Scania CrewCab is a strong and reliable truck used all over the world by industries that need to get the job done without fail. Whether it's rushing to emergencies, moving through tough battlefields, or working on busy construction sites, this truck is built to handle any challenge. It is designed to be durable, efficient, and safe, making it a trusted choice for those who depend on it every day. Fire and rescue services rely on the CrewCab for rapid deployment, ensuring emergency teams reach crisis points without delay. Reinforced protection keeps firefighters safe in hazardous environments, while its spacious cabins comfortably transport full teams along with their essential gear. Every second counts in rescue operations, and the CrewCab is designed to maximize efficiency and safety when it matters most. In military and defense, tactical transport is critical, and the Scania CrewCab excels at securely moving troops and equipment. Built to withstand extreme conditions and unpredictable landscapes, it delivers exceptional durability. Its off-road capabilities allows forces to navigate even the most challenging missions with confidence, making it a dependable asset in high-stakes operations. Now for construction and heavy-duty industries, efficiency and resilience are paramount. The CrewCab offers reliable crew transportation, accommodating large teams while maintaining comfort and functionality. Its robust design endures the demanding nature of construction sites, and its engineering ensures longevity, minimizing downtime and reducing maintenance costs. In an industry where delays mean lost productivity, the CrewCab proves to be an indispensable partner. Across all these industries, the Scania CrewCab stands as a symbol of strength, dependability, and innovation. It's not just a truck, it's a mission-ready solution that professionals trust to get the job done, no matter the challenge. The Scania CrewCab outperforms competitors like Volvo, Mercedes, and MAN with superior customization, driver comfort, and durability. Designed for industries that demand reliability, it consistently proves why professionals trust Scania. Its modular design offers greater adaptability for fire services, military operations, and industrial transport, allowing operators to customize seating, storage, and drivetrain configurations. While yes, competitors provide similar models, Scania delivers unmatched flexibility, and comfort is another key advantage. A driver-centric cockpit, noise-dampening cabin, and ergonomic seats reduce fatigue, making long shifts easier compared to Mercedes' more rigid layout. And Scania leads in sustainability with biofuel-compatible engines and the battery-electric BEV CrewCab, already in production, giving it a head start over competitors still developing electric models. Built to last, many fleets use CrewCabs for over 15 years with routine maintenance. With a robust build and lower repair costs, it retains higher resale value than MAN and Volvo. Scania's engineering ensures that it remains a step ahead, offering durability, adaptability, and performance for the toughest jobs. And to top it off, the Scania CrewCab is built for today and engineered for the future. As industries move toward greener, smarter transportation, Scania leads with groundbreaking innovations. Ongoing research into hydrogen fuel cell variants promises cleaner alternatives for long-range operations, while advanced autonomous capabilities will enhance safety in high-risk environments. Smart city integrations will further optimize emergency response by enabling real-time tracking and route optimization and direct communication with traffic systems. Designed for the toughest jobs, the CrewCab delivers unmatched reliability, power, and protection. Reinforced safety features including a high-strength steel cab and Scania City-Safe windows ensure maximum protection. It's a lineup of fuel-efficient diesel and zero-emission BEV options, balances power and sustainability. Spacious interiors, adaptive storage, and ergonomic driver support sets new standards for crew comfort. With all these future-ready innovations, Scania isn't just keeping up, it's shaping the future. For those who demand excellence, durability, and advanced vehicle technology, the CrewCab is the ultimate choice. Now, are you a firefighter, a military operator, or a fleet manager who has used a Scania CrewCab? Drop your thoughts down in the comments below and let's talk trucks. For more insights on heavy-duty vehicles and cutting-edge transport technology, make sure to subscribe to the channel.